Hi, my name is Nate and I'm with Paradise RV Rentals. In this video, we will be going over how to access the water on your RV. The water systems on RVs can seem complicated, but they're actually quite simple. Here are two ways to access your water for faucets, shower, and the commode. The easiest way to access the water is to plug directly into the city water. The city water is located on the driver's side. It's as simple as hooking up the water hose into the city water outlet and attaching the other end to the faucet located at your campsite. Before you attach the hose, make sure you have the water pressure regulator and the filter secured to the campground faucet. The pressure regulator will help ensure that you have proper water pressure entering the lines. Too high of water pressure and it can damage the pipes. The second way is to access the water via the onboard water storage tank. This is called the freshwater or potable water. You'll access this by filling the tank and turning on the water pump. Your RV will have a full or mostly full water tank when you pick it up. So in most cases, you shouldn't have to worry about filling this. However, if you do need to, here is the access to the potable or freshwater fill. On this RV, it is located conveniently in this cargo bay. However, it is a good possibility it will be located in a different location on the RV you rent. Inside, on the control panel, is where you will see the fresh water tank indicator. Press and hold the button to read the level. It is okay if it happens to overfill. Every RV has an overflow reservoir. Once the tank is full, you can access the water by turning on the water pump. Make sure you turn on the water pump when you need it and turn it off when you're done. This will help prevent the water pump from burning out prematurely. Thanks and happy camping.